Hi, I'm Russ Sallow from GPS to Go. We would really love to do business with more of the 1-800-GOT-JUNK franchises. My staff and I will be calling you, and you may have received a phone call from us, and we'd love to show you our plug-and-play GPS tracker that just plugs in. And this is a unique idea, made in Canada. So it's plug-and-play, $35 a month, including engine diagnostics and everything else you're used to, and there's no contract. Hi, I'm Russ Sallow, once again out in the field for GPS to Go. I'm going to show you another example of how fast and easy it is to install our GPS Go 5 into this cab-over truck. So come on over and I'll help you. So you've all seen the Go 5 device, and now we're going to have our new Go 6 device coming out. But the Go 5 has our onboard diagnostic port plug on this end. And if we look, come on and have a look in there. Right underneath, right where my finger is, there's the port for the onboard diagnostic port for this vehicle. So installing this is as easy as just plugging it in, just like that. And we have our numbered and branded security seal. So it has the security seal number, here's our serial number, and it has the Geotab name on it. And all we would do is we would circle this around, front to back, cinch it up so that you can't dislodge that or remove it easily, and your installation is complete. So I'm Russ Sallow from GPS to Go. Now you know.